Have you ever watched those beautiful animated videos that look like they're made entirely from handcrafted paper and wondered how they're created? What if I told you that you can make those magical storybook style animations using AI without drawing, without knowing animation, and without spending hours editing? In today's video, I'll show you the complete workflow I use to create professional paper style animations. From designing consistent characters to
I've
generating
never
cinematic
laughed
scenes
this much.
and bringing them to
Friends
life
make
with
rainy
AI.
days feel
And
sunny.
make sure you stay until the end because I'll also share one simple trick that makes your characters look consistent across every scene. If you enjoy AI tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Everything starts with a simple story. Keep it short and emotional. For example, a boy notices a lonely girl. Rain begins. He shares his umbrella. They become friends. That's enough for a 1 minute animation. Before creating any images, divide your story into scenes. Each scene should have camera angle, character action, emotion, dialogue, duration. This becomes your storyboard. The storyboard isn't your final artwork, it's your blueprint. Now that our story and storyboard are ready, it's time to create the most important part of the animation, our characters. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is generating a new character for every scene. Even with the same prompt, the AI might change the face, hairstyle, clothes, or proportions. By the end of the video, it looks like completely different people. To avoid this, we're going to create character turnaround sheets for both the boy and the girl. A turnaround sheet shows the same character from multiple angles, including the front view, three-quarter view, side view, back view, and different facial expressions. Think of it as the character's identity card. Every scene we generate later will use these references to keep the characters consistent. We'll start by creating the boy character. Once we're happy with his design, we'll do the same for the girl. Both characters will be created in the same handcrafted paper cut style, using the same colors, textures, and proportions. These reference sheets will become the foundation of our entire animation. Every image and every animated scene will use them, ensuring that the characters look like the same people from the beginning of the story to the end. Let's begin by generating the boy's character turnaround sheet, and then we'll create the matching girl character. Now, it's time to create our storyboard. Think of it as the blueprint for the entire animation. It isn't the final artwork. It's a visual reference that helps us plan each scene, camera angle, character position, and action. By creating a storyboard first, we can keep our story organized and maintain consistency throughout the animation. Once it's ready, we'll use it as a reference to generate our final cinematic images. So let's build our storyboard and bring our story to life one scene at a time. Now it's time to add our character references. First, upload the boy's character turnaround sheet and name him Max. For the best results, upload the image along with the character prompt. The image gives the AI a visual reference, while the prompt reinforces important details like the paper cut style, clothing, colors, and facial features. Next, upload the girl's character turnaround sheet and name her Dolly. Again, include both the reference image and the prompt to ensure the AI understands her appearance from every angle. Using both the reference image and the prompt gives much more consistent results than using either one alone. It helps maintain the same face, hairstyle, outfit, proportions, and handcrafted paper style throughout the entire animation. Now that Max and Dolly are ready, we're all set to create our scenes with consistent characters from beginning to end. Now it's time to create our master background. Instead of generating a new background for every scene, we'll create one detailed background that we'll reuse throughout the entire story. This helps maintain consistency and gives the animation a professional look. For the best results, write a detailed prompt describing every important element of the environment, then generate a high quality background image. In our case, we'll create a beautiful handcrafted paper cut park with a school, a winding stone pathway, a large tree, a wooden bench, a pond, colorful flowers, and a bright sunny sky. This master background will serve as the foundation for every scene. Later, we'll simply place our characters, Max and Dolly, into this environment and change only their actions, expressions, camera angles, or weather without recreating the background each time. Let's write the background prompt and generate our master environment. Now we have everything we need to create our first scene. First, upload the Max character reference, the Dolly character reference, and our master background. For the best results, include all three reference images along with the Scene 1 prompt. This helps the AI maintain consistent characters, the same environment, and the handcrafted paper cut style. In this first scene, Max is walking happily along the stone pathway toward the school while carrying his blue umbrella on a bright sunny morning. Dolly doesn't appear in this scene, but we'll still include her reference so the AI remembers her design for the upcoming scenes. Using the character references, the background image and the scene prompt together produces much more consistent and cinematic results. Once everything is uploaded, generate the image for scene 1 and we'll continue building the rest of the story one scene at a time. Now that scene 1 is complete, we'll follow the same workflow for the remaining scenes. For each scene, upload the max character reference, the dolly character reference, and the master background. Then update only the scene prompt based on the storyboard. There's no need to recreate the characters or the background. We'll simply change the characters' poses, expressions, actions, camera angles, and weather according to each scene. This workflow keeps the faces, clothing, colors, and environment consistent throughout the entire animation, giving it a polished and professional look. Repeat this process for all the remaining scenes until your complete story is ready. Once all the scene images have been generated, we'll move on to animating them and bringing our paper cut story to life. Now you've learned the complete workflow for creating professional paper cut animations with AI. The same workflow can be used to create YouTube story videos, product advertisements, wildlife documentaries, educational content, children's stories, travel videos, brand commercials, and much more. If you are a freelancer, you can offer these animations as a service to clients. If you are building a YouTube channel, you can use this workflow to create consistent, high quality videos in almost any niche. As your channel grows, you may become eligible to earn through the YouTube Partner Program, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or by selling your animation services. To make it even easier for you to get started, I've included all the prompts used in this tutorial in the video description below. Simply copy them, customize them for your own story, and start creating your own paper cut animations. And before you leave, don't miss the complete animated short we created using this exact workflow. Watch it till the end to see how all the scenes come together into a beautiful paper cut animation and to get inspiration for your own projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what type of AI animation you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Dad always says, kindness begins with being prepared. Everyone has someone, except me.
Maybe she just needs a friend. Come on, no one should get wet alone.
Thank you. That means so much. I've never laughed this much.
Friends make rainy days feel sunny. Let's promise to help everyone we can.
Kindness always finds its way back. Be the reason someone smiles today.